Everyone wants respect. Everyone wants to be valued. But have you ever asked yourself what makes a person truly valuable? Today, I'll tell you a story that will change the way you look at yourself. A young man went to his father and said, "Dad, I'm tired of people not valuing me. They don't respect me, they don't listen to me." The father smiled and said, "Before I answer, take this old car to the marketplace. Try to sell it and come back to me." The boy did as told. At the market, people looked at the car, dusty, old, scratched. They said, "This car isn't worth much. I'll give you $50 at best." The boy came back disappointed. "Dad, no one values it. It's just an old car." The father said, "All right. Now take it to the garage of a car collector." The boy drove the same car to the collector's garage. The collector's eyes widened. He said, "This is a rare classic model. If you are willing to sell, I'll pay you $500. Shocked, the boy ran back home. "Dad, the same car that no one valued in the market, someone is ready to pay $500 for it." His father smiled and said, "Son, the world won't value you if you are in the wrong place. Find the place where your worth is recognized, that's where you belong." Respect and value are not demanded, they are earned and recognized. If you want to increase your value, stop trying to fit where you don't belong. Keep improving yourself. Surround yourself with people who see your worth. And most importantly, know your own value before expecting others to see it. Because when you know what you are worth, you'll never settle for less. So remember, you don't have to shout for respect. Just become so good, so capable, and so confident that people can't ignore you. That's all for today. Every story you hear brings you one step closer to becoming your best self. If this story touched your heart, don't just leave. Join the journey. Hit that subscribe button, and let's grow stronger together.